Hey everyone, I'm going to show you the best way to put FLAC files on your iPhone. First, head over to Softorino.com. Under Products, you'll see WALTR PRO. There's a free download button. After you have downloaded it, you'll want to open WALTR PRO. WALTR PRO can connect to any iPhone, any iPad, and even iPods. Here, my iPhone 12 mini is connected over Wi-Fi. My iPad is connected over a cable because it's the first time I'm using my iPad with this. Next, I'll drag and drop this album that's in FLAC format into my iPhone. And just like that, it's preparing to convert and transfer. And as you can see right now, I don't have the album art. WALTR PRO smartly recognizes the metadata for the album and puts it in for you. It's really awesome. Just like that. Where are my files? They're in the Music app. Here you can see the new album shows up correctly with all the rest of my Apple Music library. Next, you can see that there are options to convert lossless audio into smaller files called AAC. And also, if you've noticed the metadata being put in for you, that's called ACR. It's really awesome. Next, I'll show you that WALTR PRO can even edit the metadata on your end. By holding the command key as I drop, the metadata editor pops up. It's super useful. Well, there are other options too, and these are for the other features. Here you can see that it is wireless. What's awesome is this music will now also show up on my Apple Watch. All thanks to WALTR PRO. This album isn't on Apple Music. I do this all the time. Well, where do you get WALTR PRO? It's from Softorino.com. Head over to their website and it's free download. But if you really like it, you should check out their universal license because you'll get all of their apps for one subscription. I really like to use Folder Colorizer for Mac and of course iRing. I have an iPhone. There are also Windows apps and even more apps coming later for both Mac and Windows. This is WALTR PRO from Softorino.